welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with the Madam Glam advent calendar and it's officially 2 days before Christmas. Today we're going to be doing the December 23rd unboxing. Me and my ugly robe are back at it again. My man hates this robe, but you know what? It's cold and I don't care. So yeah, it's like literally freezing in my nail room right now. Like I'm literally shivering. I was like, I have to put something on because otherwise, yeah, it's not gonna be a good look. But yeah, can you believe we already went through this entire freaking calendar? The month of December just like flew by like so fast. I can't believe it's already Christmas. My God, where does the time go? All right, so we're doing the 23rd today, and I can't wait for tomorrow's unboxing because the 24th, as you can see, the box is bigger than what we've been getting. So I really want to know what's inside there. And you already know I want to know what's inside this box too. So yeah, this is what we're looking like for the 23rd. Box is really cute as always. This one is like a matte black design with like little holographic stars on it. So cute. So I'm gonna open this one up and see what we're working with today. Ooh, one of my favorite colors. Let me zoom you on in because these mini polishes are so small. So yeah, it's a mini gel polish and the color is called, you guys could see that, it's called No Edit. And it looks like it's gonna be like a really pretty purple shade, one of my favorite colors. So this is what the color, oh my God, it's like a jelly color. Okay, I like this one even more now. That's so cute. I can't wait to swatch this one. It's a purple jelly color. So yeah, let's go ahead and swatch this. Okay, so I got my swatch stick ready and I'm ready to swatch this color. I bet it's gonna be so pretty. Let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, this one's really thick. I feel like it's so hard for me to paint with these little tiny bottles because my nails are so long. All right, so this is what the color is looking like. It's super pretty. I don't even think I need to go in with a second coat. I think this is like perfect since it's like a jelly color. But yeah, it applied very nicely. It was a little bit hard for me because my nails are long and those bottle tops are small. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave this one coat just the way it is and then do a top coat. So I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds and then we'll apply the top coat. Okay, so this one is finally cured and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the top coat. I'm using the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Gel that came with the advent calendar. So yeah, let's go ahead and top coat this one and see what it's looking like. I really love this color. And the fact that it's jelly makes it even better. I love jelly nails. Like really, I don't think they'll ever go out of style. Like jelly nails are just where it's at. So this is what we're looking like before we cure. Now I'm gonna cure and then we'll see the final look. So this is the final look with one coat of the polish and one coat of the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Gel. I really love the color. It's so pretty. definitely one of my favorites from the advent calendar that we've gotten. I really do like this color. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's unboxing. Tomorrow we're going to be doing the unboxing for Christmas Eve, which I'm super excited for. I can't wait to see what's in that one. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new, because I always post nail tutorials, product reviews, and like a few other types of things. So yeah, you definitely don't want to miss out. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing. Bye. Love you guys.